How to edit your bio in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application on your device. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then simply go to edit profile and go to bio section. Now here, in the latest update of Instagram, you will be able to go to the next line easily. So if you're having that issue, simply go to Google Play Store, search for Instagram application, and if you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. Once the update has been finished, again go to Instagram, and now you can also mention someone in your bio or use a hashtag you like. So that's it. After you have edited your bio, click on the tick icon at the top right corner and your bio has been edited. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.